Hello, greetings from Boonari TV. In today's bizarre news, we will show you the coldest city in the world. Where is this place? How is life around in this place? Take a look. The coldest city in the world with extreme winters is a city called Yakutsk, which is located in Russia. The lowest air temperature ever recorded there was minus 71 degrees Celsius. How much is that? For example, usually deep freezers are set at minus 18 degrees Celsius. And this city is minus 71 degrees Celsius. To simplify this, understand it this way. Temperatures on the positive side keep increasing in heat with higher degrees, while on the negative side, minus 18 comes first and minus 71 is even below, which means extremely cold. Ooh, can't imagine how cold it would be there to live our lives in that place. Next to impossible for us. Recently, a person named Sinet visited and toured the city Yakutsk. He is a documentary filmmaker and he visited the city Yakutsk and he shared his experience. When he reached there, it was terribly cold. It was so freezing cold out there that his eyelashes got frozen too. He had to literally break the ice on his eyelashes. What were some more everyday life experiences that he encountered there, which were very different from elsewhere? Take a look. Number 1. If you have hot boiling water and you want to have it cold, you would preferably let it cool and then keep it in the fridge or freezer, and then you would have to wait till it was chilled. In Yakutsk, hot boiling water, when thrown out from the kettle, immediately froze. It turned into ice crystals immediately in no time. Number 2. We put our clothes out for drying in the sun after we've washed them. But if you leave your clothes out in Yakutsk, it's different. You leave your clothes out, but there's no sun. It's cold everywhere. Your clothes will turn as hard as a rock. Number 3. When you buy some fruits or meat to cook food or some veggies, you have to store it in very low temperatures. If you leave it outside, it will rot. In Yakutsk, meat is kept hanging outside in the open from house windows as it freezes automatically. Due to extreme winters, food items don't perish when kept this way. Do you drive a car? Then you probably know that once you finish driving, you turn off the engine and park your car in place. In Yakutsk, it's different. After driving, many people don't turn off their engines. They leave it on. You will find many cars that have their engines running, but there's nobody in it. Then why leave the engine on? It's because if the car is left out in the open, even the exhaust fumes are frozen, and then you won't be able to start the vehicle. Hence, most people leave it on, or they have heated garages to park their vehicles where they can then turn the vehicle engine off. What about the houses there? Take a look. We have houses or buildings built with even a ground floor. A foundation is laid beneath and then floors are erected on it. In Yakutsk, it's different. The city houses have a completely different style of architecture. They have stilt-type buildings that are built on pillars. The reason is that the ground gets covered with ice. So it's not possible to have a ground floor. Some old houses that were not built on pillars start leaning because of ice shift over decades that have passed. The ice keeps increasing so much that if you stand on it, sometimes it can form 100-foot thick ice cover beneath your shoes. When Senet reached Yakutsk, he took a banana that was kept out in the open. It became so hard that you couldn't break it, hard as a rock. It became just like a hammer, and he could actually use the frozen banana to pin a nail into a wooden block. That's extreme. When a person visits Yakutsk, he or she cannot wear eyeglasses with metal frames because the metal can stick to their skin, so that taking off the glasses might even dislodge flesh. If you remove your hand gloves for just a few minutes, your fingers will immediately start turning white from the lack of blood circulation. So, it's a must to put on your gloves. Looking at these visuals, I have started getting chills too. We all know that as the month December is nearing, we all gear up with our jackets, hoodies, gloves, and so on. But just think, will you be able to live and survive in the coldest city on earth?